Hello and welcome to Baldwin's annual shareholder meeting. It's our opportunity to go through the company and share with you some of our successes and where we're looking to be in the future. You'll first hear from Veronica. Veronica is our Executive Vice President in Marketing Production. You'll hear from next Alex. Alex is our Executive Vice President, Capital Markets and Credit Risk. And following Alex, you'll hear from myself, Mike Sheldon, who currently I am serving as the Chief Financial Officer and the Chief Technology Officer. We'll hear from Veronica.
Who we are. Baldwin's goal is to provide the highest quality sensor in the GPS market. With entries in both high and low tech markets, we are providing a range of quality, well-placed products. Our team has been entrusted to take the company back to profitability. We're leading the industry with the new products and technology. We have assembled a team of experts that are passionate about what we are doing and satisfying the highest demands of our customers and stakeholders. Baldwin's history began when it predecessor, an ineffective and financially mismanaged company, was shut down by the government. This provides an opportunity to fill the need for products in the sensor industry. Starting in a small renting warehouse, we developed our first product and with a lot of hard work and ambition, but little cash, we were able to introduce a new low-tech sensor which we call BESS. With those humble beginnings, we have now changed the industry because of our revolutionary methods and strategies. We are well on the way toward becoming the great company we had envisioned. With a new facility, increased staff and capacity, we were able to develop and manufacture several other highly successful products. We are proud of what we have achieved. We have grown from a startup to a leader in the industry.
My name is Alex Dimutsky and I'm the Vice President of Capital Markets here at Baldwin Company. I want to talk about market segmentation. From the beginning, our vision was to first ensure that we were solid financially and provided value to our shareholders. We felt that we had to be well diversified with our products. As the executive team discussed our vision, we each felt that it was important to have a mix of high-tech and low-tech. And so as we met on a regular basis, we analyzed each segment to see opportunities for growth and how our competitors were doing. We invested in market analysis to understand what our potential customers wanted and how our products would perform. In our very first year, our R&D group produced a very first low-tech sensor that we called Baker. The success of Baker led to the second low-tech sensor we called Bit. Later, as we felt our low-tech was on a solid footing, we ventured into the high-tech with two brand new sensors, Best and Better. Because of the huge success of our low-tech products, we have now introduced another one. We call it Bet. Our expertise is in GPS receivers, particularly those used in cell phones and other wireless devices. Our low-tech products are very cost-effective because of the experience we have in making a top product inexpensively. Our two low-tech sensors are excellent, both in quality and in affordability. As a result, they have been in high demand. We are able to achieve an excellent profit margin on our low-tech products because we have perfected the art of producing high quality at low cost. We hire a relatively small number of skilled employees to oversee a highly automated production line. We are very proud of the contribution margins we reached with our low-tech products. Our market share is also very satisfying. More than 1 out of 4 low-tech sensors sold are produced by Baldwin. Let me now tell you about our high-tech sensors. They're truly cutting edge. They are of the best quality and utilize the newest advances in electronic engineering. These sensors will be at the forefront of the industry for years to come. To maximize demand for our high-tech products, we have expanded our distribution channels and increased our sales force. The price we have set is higher than the average, but our sales have been excellent. We have invested in quality and have been rewarded with a contribution margin of over 50%. To summarize, we feel that Baldwin has a great mix of high and low-tech products. This gives us an opportunity to satisfy every type of customer. We want our products to be in demand, no matter which way the economy or the technology is headed. We want our shareholders to know that this company has unique value and is sure to reward them handsomely and consistently, even though our competitors are also hard at work. Speaking of the competition, we have done admirably well against the best. You can see from the table below that of the 4 top producers, Baldwin had second highest net income and sales, as well as the second highest market share in both market segments. We aimed very high with our last year's forecast, and we came very close. We exceeded the forecast for contribution margin and cumulative profit. Our sales volume and financial ratios are near our goals, and our stock is currently very hot at $93 per share.
Hello, my name is Michael Sheldon, and I am currently working as the Chief Financial Officer as well as the Chief Technology Officer here at Baldwin. We are extremely proud of our success over the past 8 years and wanted to share with you what we have in store for the next 4 years. Over the past 8 years, we've been able to introduce 5 new products into the growing sensor market. These products have been met with great success, yielding high sales and high returns. We still feel that there's tremendous opportunity for growth in both markets, but especially in the high-tech market. Our plan is to introduce 2 additional products into the high-tech market, where we feel we can be extremely competitive and be an industry leader. From the beginning at Baldwin, we knew we wanted to reach out to both low-tech and high-tech customers. Those 2 segments for us were essential to our success. Seeing our results after the past 8 years, we know this was a good move on our part. However, we feel that focusing a little bit more on our high-tech products and making sure that they are closer to the ideal position, therefore maximizing our customer satisfaction, that this will yield higher sales and ultimately a larger return on investment. By doing this, we think we can satisfy both our customers and our stockholders. We've learned here that capacity is one of the most important pieces to the puzzle in order to be successful as a company. Without the proper capacity, we're unable to meet the demands of our customers and what the market wants. We've had a few challenges over the past few years in making sure we have that needed capacity. But moving forward in the next 4 years, we will be focusing on our forecasting to make sure that we are building in enough capacity to meet the demands of our customers. As CFO, it is my responsibility to make sure that we are financially sound and that we have the necessary capital to operate the company. Over the past 8 years, we have been fortunate to have a highly desirable stock that, when offered, has yielded large cash sales, which allow us to invest that money back into the company. We've also relied largely on long and short-term loans, always making sure that they are paid in a timely manner so that unnecessary interest is not incurred. At Baldwin, it's our feeling that sound financial management is the backbone of our success. It's been successful for us in our early years, and we look forward to a sound financial management through our later years. Having an executive team that gets along, that works well with one another, that respects one another, that understands one another, and can motivate one another is essential for a company's success. We've been fortunate here at Baldwin to have such an executive team. Each team member takes tremendous pride in their specific responsibilities. When we have meetings, each executive member comes prepared with the necessary reports, sales figures, trends, competition, and potential market growth opportunities, and shares that information as it pertains to each decision that needs to be made as a company. As we discuss, communicate, share our points of view, give our perspective, we slowly come to what we feel is going to be the best decision for the company. Coming to a consensus is fairly easy for us because we get along so well and we're all focused on the same principle, and that is the success of the company and being an innovator in this tough, competitive industry. When we first got into this industry and we started Baldwin, we were young and ambitious and felt that we could just rule the world. As we got into it, we quickly realized that there was a lot of things that we just didn't know, and would have to kind of go through the muck to really experience it and learn from our trials and difficulties throughout. Though we didn't make any major mistakes that would hurt the company, we continued to be profitable each year. We continued to increase sales each year. But what we really found out was that some breakdowns early on were in the communication with the executive team. Some decisions were made not intentionally without telling people, but just doing it not knowing the effect it could have on the rest of the team. But since then, we've turned some of those weaknesses into strengths, and now we work very, very well as a team. We consider our executive team one of the most experienced and seasoned teams in our industry, and I think it shows in our overall sales and market share. Thank you for being part of our presentation today and for taking the time. Remember, here at Baldwin, we're above the competition.